Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I maintain my Shark Navigator lift away vacuum. First, I love vacuuming every week and collecting all the dust that's on the floor and carpets and stuff. A lot of fur, dust, dander. I bring it over to the waste bin and eject it all into a bag and tap it a few times to make sure all the pieces are out. Close it up. Now, on a monthly basis, I like rinsing out my sponges. So I take both sponges out, put a tiny bit of detergent, and basically rinse it out and squeeze out all the dirt. And then I allow it out to dry for about a day and a half to 2 days. Also, rinse out my dust container bin too, so it's nice and clean like that. And I leave it ajar so that it dries up as well. And for the HEPA filter, I change this out pretty much every 6 months to a year, or every 6 months, because it keeps it super clean. So I just pop the front lid off, pull it out, replace it with a new one, and put it back in. Very simple. And then I basically put it back in and replace the cover again. Now, for the sponges, make sure you put the sponges, the thin one on the bottom, then the foam one on top. And that's it. That's how I maintain my shark.